How to delete Gmail account from other devices. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Gmail account from other devices. To start, open your Gmail app on your mobile device. Here, tap on your profile icon from the top right. Now tap on Google account. After that, select the option of security. Scroll down and tap on Manage all devices. Here you'll see all the devices where your account is logged in. Tap on any of them to see the complete details. You can see the details of other devices in the same way. Now go back and head towards Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you get the option of Delete your Google account. From here, you can delete your account. By doing so, all of your content will be deleted. Here, you need to agree with these terms. Once you're done, tap on Delete Account. This is how you can delete your Gmail account from other devices. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.